Okie dokie. Looks like everything is good to go. How is everyone doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I do not have my phone. Yo, Davey boy, that was quick. Bloody hell. Fair play. Yeah, what's good, mate? How's it going? Yeah, people are flooding in already. That was quick. Yo, Davey has his noties on clearly. Josh just gone to the toilet for anyone who's wondering. Yeah, because of Reddit. Love that. Love that. Yeah, big ups Reddit Army. We love to see it. Which Reddit are you a part of, Dave? Sorry, I'm just gonna quickly share this with the army. Oh, what the heck? Alright, there we go. Boom. We love to see it. How is everyone doing today? Yo, Naked Brand, how's it going? We are good today, ladies and gentlemen. We are loving life right now. Well, I say that the Dow has been has been shaky.
Oh.
Right, we are live, Joshua.
Oh, yes, please.
So, what have we seen today? NAKD.
I don't know. Fill me in.
Wow. So, NAKD has been bullish all day, and then the Nasdaq, the SPY, and the Dow crashed by 25%, just out of the blue. Now,
what?
Yeah.
Look just like midday today.
Yeah, look at the Twitter. Look at the Armada Twitter. I put a post up about it. Literally, like it was about a couple hours ago. Like, there's just this massive crash, just out of nowhere. Well, it wasn't 20%, but it was, it was a lot.
Yeah,
it was just random.
Substantial.
Yeah.
Like what?
Thank President Biden for the market. Right, we're not getting into US politics today.
Right, so here we got Davey. What's going on?
Got Davey. We have
Khan. Got Brand Naked.
Brand Naked. We love Brand
How's
Naked.
How's it going, guys?
Hope everyone's doing well. I'll tell you what, the Mac is not looking too bad today. The Mac has seen a lot of bullish action today. Thanks.
Right, so what have we got happening in the chat? Let me just get up to date with chat. What up? What's up with you, Davey?
Sorry about that.
What? Nav, we've got a problem with the live stream. My camera's not on.
Your camera's not on.
It is on, but it ain't on.
Huh.
I don't know.
Okay.
Nav broke it. There we go. Look at my beautiful face.
That is very strange. I don't know why that happens.
I don't know what was happening then, but NAKD to the moon.
Wait, why does your webcam crash like that? That is very strange.
It wasn't my webcam.
No, so I literally have to have you up on here for your camera to work. It's so through a
Hey, my
Discord.
webcam, mate. It's your settings.
It's my settings, yeah.
Dev broke it.
I have, yeah.
Hashtag Sam broke it.
Okay, we'll try and sort this out. Because if I do that, okay, no, you're fine there.
You're
Wait,
fine now.
I think
Yeah, we're good.
we'll soon find out.
We're good. Now it's calm. It's good yesterday too. Green after hours, pre-market. Now if we can close green again, we're doing good. NAKD. Right, here you go. Bold prediction. NAKD to $1 by the end of April.
I mean, it definitely could happen.
It could happen.
I mean, because what I think we're gonna have is I think we're gonna have a band of resistance at 70 cents, and then if we can break out of that band of resistance at 70 cents, then I think it could actually reach above $1.
Oh, it wouldn't surprise me because once it starts breaking through the bands of resistance, it just ends up taking off. I really should have got myself a drink before we started. I'm so underprepared right now.
Playing too much control.
That is what it is. I can dig it. Yeah, I was going to say, Nathan, we would all love NAKD to go to $1 by the end of April.
Yeah. So we see, like, when Old Global came in, we saw this big rise up to about the 75 cents mark. So I think that's going to be the next, like, band of support we're going to have to break. Or the band of resistance, sorry. And then what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to break that. And then I feel like the next band of resistance will be at $1. And if we can break that $1 mark, it'll be absolute skits. We'll be laughing all the way to the bank from there on out. Exactly. The end has been strong, and we love to see it. NAKD right now 0.54. Considering how bad the Dow, the Nasdaq, and SPY have been, NAKD has not been bad at all. Like, it's actually recovered very, very well. We've seen a nice bullish trend today throughout the day, even on the 1 hour ticker. The 2 hour ticker is going to be even better. 4 again. It's looking very positive right now. It really is. Hopefully we can see more of that in the upcoming days, really. Well, obviously, so Friday tomorrow is going to be quite a big day, I think. If we can stay above 50 cents on Friday, I think that puts us in very, very good stead for the upcoming week. No worries, Nathan. I appreciate you stopping by, mate. Take care. Let's just have a quick look at this. So, looking at the graph, we have that's sort of a good flag, actually. There's 3 bands of resistance there, right? And that'll give us a bit of an idea of whereabouts we will potentially break out. So you see we're sort of coming to this nice bullish flag right here, and I feel like if we can get above the support line, then I think we could then get to the 70 cents mark, and then we're going to need to see a little bit more volume. We're going to need to see a lot of buying action, and then that may be able to get us into the $1 mark, and then the rest is history, in my opinion. What's the moving average like? Moving average is very strange right now. Now, I think the moving average, it looks quite bullish as well. Like, we're going up, and it's broke above the top band. So, yeah, it's going to be interesting. Josh, any elaborations?
Not as much on the graph, but it looks like there is some positive news. So, they're appointing Mark Zirison as Chief Financial Officer. So, they've got a new CFO.
Yeah.
However, just the apparel kind of sector at the moment, it's really struggling amidst the pandemic. Like, it's not in a kind of like strong place at the moment, just due to apparel not being in a strong place, not necessarily the company itself, if that makes any sort of sense. So, Cash has asked, what is your price prediction? I have 305 shares at 65 cents.
So you are in very good stead, in my opinion. I think right now we're in a nice bullish trend, and I think that we're gonna see 70 cents real soon. And I think we're then gonna, from the 70 cents mark, I think we could hit $1 by the end of April. And I think as well, if we could break above $1, then I think we could, after you break through $1, there could be a lot of, like, the bulls could come out in force then, and I reckon this stock could really, take off from there, with it, because that'll provide a nice catalyst for potential retail investors to jump in.
Mm-hmm. As I've said as well in a lot of my videos, I reckon by the end of the year you could easily be looking at like a $4 to $5 stock, like with ease. The bottom line is it depends how long you want to hold it for. That's what it comes down to.
Yeah, it's really what's your game plan, right? And this is what I always try and tell myself is when you invest in a stock, what was your original game plan when you came into the stock? Was it a long-term hold? Was it a short-term hold? What was it? Because for me, the main reason why I came in was actually a long-term play. If the squeeze happens, happy days, right? Like, we're all laughing, right? All the way to the bank, getting our new Lambos, we love it, right? But if you're here for a short term, then you're only going to see some potential short term profit, and it's not going to be like as big. But you could then put eggs in other baskets. But at the same time, there is that potential that you could miss a squeeze in the future. So that's a bit of a rant there.
Yeah, exactly. No, I was going to say, it's just, again, like you say, it depends as to how long you want to hold, because these here, with all the short interest and stuff that's involved with Citadel and all the rest of it, depending on how much you hold, this can go as high or as low as you want it to. Like, the power's in our hands with it. And as well, it's not just that. When it comes to the volume, I'm pretty sure NAKD have like a shareholders meeting or something soon.
They have a shareholders meeting today at 1 a.m. So I'm gonna have to.
I remember we were talking about it earlier.
I'm gonna have to set my alarm clock for that one. I just wish I was able to stream these meetings, but I'm sure it's probably some sort of private meetings, so they probably don't want it broadcasted.
Broadcasted, yeah, exactly.
But it would be nice if we could.
I was going to say, it probably could be something that we look into to just speak to them and see whether we can.
Yeah, I did try and contact Justin on LinkedIn, but he didn't respond, unfortunately. I got egoed. Can I get an RIP in the chat, please? On the plus side, Milton has responded. It's looking like, because I was talking to Justin on the Telegram, who's like his main man next to him, right? And it seems like it could be something that potentially happens, Josh, in all honesty.
Yeah.
Just need to, we just need to know what we can and can't talk about, because obviously his legal obligations are quite strict at the moment. So.
Oh yeah, exactly. And like, he could get in so much trouble with the SEC and stuff if he let anything slip. So
yeah, because he's stated that he has a 13G, I think he said, which is a passive investment. But what he said in one of his podcasts is the 13 Gs that he normally files is because he wants to take control over the company in the future, and he said that on the podcast, like, inadvertently, I think. So it's going to be a very interesting one to look at.
But I could full well see, say, All Global going and buying NAKD at 75, 80 cents a share. But then with all that, it could easily go to like $1.50 a share.
Yeah.
Aussie's in at 52 cents with 5,000
Very
shares.
Good.
Cash. $100 a share be the dream coming true. Oh, tell me about it. I would love that.
I would absolutely love that.
Go on a holiday to Barbados or something.
Yeah, the next Trading Fleet podcast will be filmed in the Bahamas or something.
Yeah,
on a private yacht.
Goes to $1 live right now.
Yeah. Yeah, we love to see it. How's so shares of retail, because this just came out the other day, this article. Shares of retail apparel companies are trading lower amid overall market weakness as stocks across sectors. So you see, I see a lot of this like bad press sort of thing, yet nothing really changes in everyone's heads, which is good. Because we have that mental stability when it comes to these
I'll
stocks.
tell you what, Akash, you have just read my mind. I just saw that AMC is on the verge of breaking $10 again.
AMC broke $10 today.
Yeah, no, I know it did, but it's on
Yeah.
the verge of like pretty much closing there.
At the moment, it looks like NAKD's having a bit of a head and shoulders graph at the moment.
Mm.
So, and it's actually an inverted head and shoulders graph as well. So that could be, that could be very good. It's forming at the moment, and it could be a very good sign.
You've got to wait and see.
Mm.
Hold your nerve. What have I done? I've broken something.
Oh dear.
I fixed it.
Nice.
Have I? I don't know. What have I done? Right, do that. Right, there we go.
Yeah, I appreciate that, Ozzy. Thank you.
Thank you, mate.
We're all here to provide a little bit of, clarity and to make you all feel a little bit more comfortable with your positions.
And now we will be back tomorrow. Market open, I believe. We're looking at doing one tomorrow. Market open?
Yeah, I'm down.
Yeah, I'm down. Views on SafeMoon or Elongate.
All right,
Now,
let's get the Binance up.
We've been looking a lot at cryptos recently, and we are going to have videos coming to do with cryptos.
What's Elongate's ticker?
I have no idea.
Can you all put the tickers, please, so I can look it up on Binance? I don't have it saved on it. Actually, I can have a quick look at
Pledged
that.
more than 1 million. So, Elongate have pledged more than $1 million US to various charities. So, I mean, it's good press. Oh, I have seen SafeMoon though. SafeMoon's like literally gone to the moon recently. It's ridiculous. Like any new cryptocurrency that ends up coming out, I'm genuinely just going like whacking 100 quid in it, and then by the end of the week I'll be like a millionaire. Honest to God, SafeMoon's just.
Whoa.
I've never seen anything like it.
That is a run up and a half.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like,
It's actually dipping again.
The amount of people though that went and they've like bought Dogecoin and SafeMoon and things like that when this whole GME AMC saga was happening, and like they've genuinely turned like 100 quid into like 10 grand overnight.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
It just shows the power of technology.
Yeah, but it's all to do with the Coinbase IPO the other day. That's what it's to do with. Like, if you look at all of the, what was it? Bitcoin broke $64,000.
They all correlate.
Dogecoin hit 40 cents a share. It's like ridiculous. Like,
I think Doge is at 44 cents last time I checked.
it hit 44 cents.
It's not now, but last time when I saw it at its peak, it was 44 cents.
It's like, I know people who bought Doge for like literally 0.3 of a cent.
Yeah, literally.
And even less than that. It's like, and they're just buying thousands of it at like 0.003 cents or whatever it was. And it is 29 cents right now for Doge. Is it exactly? It's like, I know people who bought like thousands when it was like 0.003 cents. And I'm like, right, lend us a tenner, would you, mate?
Yeah, I want us to have an RIP in the chat for myself here. I bought TRX at 15 cents and it's now 12. Rip. I thought I made a smart move and it didn't work.
OCGN taking off.
OCGN? Alright, let's get the Moo back up.
So would this be something that you guys would be want us to cover? Like, would you want us to do more crypto and Forex and that type of thing as well as just pure stocks? Like, is that something that people would be interested in?
Yo, OCGN. That is
That's a
disgusting.
run up in a house.
That's nice. We love that. What's the reason for this? What's the catalyst?
22 million Safe Moon, hoping for the best. 22 million. Oh yeah, no, Safe Moon's Safe Moon's ridiculous at the moment though.
BNGO. Pingo.
So Safe Moon's price right now is, will it reach $1? Oh yeah, cash. Safe Moon reaches $1. Yeah, you want to lend us a quid? What's it at currently? It's currently at $0.000006664.
If Save Moon hits $1, do you not want to pay off our student loans? Yeah, is that work? Yeah.
Sound calm?
So
BNGO, Covaxin.
You got in BNGO at 48 cents. Dang, that's a nice play. BNGO right now is $5.
Yeah, it's already at $5.93.
Wait, when did you buy? When did you buy that 48 cents? When did you get that?
November time.
Oh wow! Yeah,
it had a massive run up. It ran up to $13.
That is disgusting. Was this? How long has this been trading for? Was this an IPO or?
No. It's been. What was it? The NGO came about to the market 21st of September 2018.
2018.
Oh,
yeah.
Sev!
Yo, Sev's back.
Sev with the $3. Alright, guys, we're going to the meet. NAKD and Doge. What? Yes. You know it.
We are. We are definitely going to the moon. Yeah, I appreciate that, Sev. Thank you.
Thank you, Sev. We'll give Sev a massage on the rocket. It's fine.
Yeah.
Tell you what, I finally had my hair cut. I'm so happy. Tag me too.
Yo, NAKD. NAKD is starting to get a little bit bullish again, which we love to see. After that massive market crash, just random, it's starting to rebound again, which we love to see.
Oh, Sev, did people in chat then see the Roaster Citadel the other day? That's like such a funny video. I had so much fun making that.
Yeah,
literally, it's so much fun.
I had a lot of fun editing it.
Yeah, I love you too, Ozzy. Much love, my friend.
Yeah, I was actually so I was going to really edit that video up, but I refrained because I didn't want any lawsuits thrown our way for it. So, but I was going to go in with it. But
we got a lawsuit. Think about the GoFundMe we could do.
True.
You killed it on that video, raw.
Oh, it was funny. It was a funny one. We like you said, Josh. That was all Josh. That was a great script, honestly.
We love it. Never with the editing though. Gotta love it.
Well, I mean, to be honest, I didn't really have to do much to that video because it was just chop it up sort of thing.
I would drop some of my profits to fund your lawsuit. Yeah, we just set up a GoFundMe or something.
Yeah, you can drop some of your Safe Moon profits.
And then when we're all walking around as millionaires, because we all invested £100 in Safe Moon.
Yes, Mutsu, I am going to be in that NAKD show when I meet him. I'm
going to be sleeping.
Yeah, Josh has decided not to.
I'll have a briefing with Nev later on in the morning.
Yeah,
Nev explain. Or probably be about midday when Nev wakes up from staying up till 3 listening to the shareholders.
That is true. Although I'm hoping it's quick, like the old global one, because that was only like an hour, so it wasn't too bad.
You guys think the hedge fund will have to cover soon? See, now it's difficult to say when the hedge funds are actually going to cover, because of what they can do in dark pools, and the reason they do it in dark pools is so we don't know what's happening, so they can buy it at the actual price. Because if someone then saw Citadel starting to buy back 10 million shares or whatever it would be, the price would soar. But the price still alters in the, like, it doesn't matter when the dark pools come to fruition, because they got to publish what's happened, there will still be that knock-on price onto the actual market, if that makes sense. So no matter what's happening, the price will go up eventually. It just may take longer because they've got to declare. What do you think about
Plantier Technologies? Whew. This is yeah, I actually like this company. I'm not gonna lie.
Like, it's a genuinely good stock.
It's a good fundamental stock, and it's one that the likes of Kathy Wood has been recommending from the top of her lungs, really. ARK, sorry. I think that this is going to be definitely a long-term play, PLTR. Although we have seen some nice run-ups as well, but was there a catalyst for this, or was it just good price action? But what I would say is that PLTR is, like, although it's bearish right now, it's definitely bullish long term for sure, right? That's what I say, because I mean, looking at the MACD, although we have had this golden cross, right, I think it is going down at the like sort of rate it's going, but it'll be interesting to see what happens tomorrow, you know, and you know that's just my short term analysis, but potentially it could become bullish tomorrow. Who knows, right? What about
so
have you guys looked into
FRXX?
I have never heard of that.
FRXX. I've never heard of them, but I've had a look. So they've risen 609.23% over the last 12 months. I don't really know what they are, though. It's to do with cars. People actually don't understand POTR. That's why an average an investor tries to invest in. Exactly, like, that's the thing, though, is we've pushed videos and we've put videos out there because we think it is a genuinely good company.
Yeah.
And it is a strong long-term play. Like, I can easily see PLTR like at $50-$60.
Yeah. And that's probably like a 1 to 2, well, probably a 2 year, right, to get 50,
yeah,
60,
exactly.
Right? But like, there's definitely a lot of potential in that company, and the videos which we make, they're all based around helping you lot make money, right? And we always say within our videos, we normally put our price prediction on it, and we will normally say whether we think it's going to be a long term or short term, what we think of it, like whether it's going to be a quick swing trade or whether it's going to be a long term hold. But yeah, obviously
it offers such a powerful, like, it's such a powerful software though that Plantier are providing.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, so anyway, moving on to FRSX, right? Foresight Autonomous Holdings, right? So they are a commercialized sensor. They create commercialized sensor systems for cars, right? So that, again, is a growing industry. Although what I would say is there is a lot of competition now, in the sense of, you know, like the Tesla auto, like the auto, like self-driving cars, sorry, that's what I was trying to say. But although you have to remember, though, those Tesla cars require sensors to be able to drive like automatic. So this could be a nice long-term play, and we may need to see some sort of merge or some sort of company collaboration to see this FRSX go up in the future.
What is your software that you use? We're using Moo for all of our stocks and stuff. It's not the one we trade on. We use Trading 212 for actual trading, but Moo's lovely because it provides a level 2
data,
kind of reading, screening, whatever you want to call it.
We would love to use Weeble and stuff, in honesty, but you know, we don't have access to
OCGN at 9 now.
I may need to get into this at some point. Although I think I may have missed the boat with this.
Yeah, exactly. That's the problem. You need to now wait like 2-3 years for it to
do the same again.
Gone up like
Massively.
over $3. It's like taking off right now. Wow.
And part of the reason for that is we actually sort of see a W forming, actually. That famous George W?
Yeah.
You sort of see down the bottom there, the inverted dip, the inverted double point. And that's what, has caused this massive price increase. It's crazy.
I don't really know what's been happening with Tesla because it was at like $900 the other day.
Yeah, Tesla.
But it is starting to claw back up, but it slumped what, 30 quid today, $30 a share.
Yeah, did that news article, did that ruin the stock at all or not? Not too bad.
Which one? Sorry.
Like those people who got killed unfortunately in that car accident.
Oh, I don't know. So there was that the other day, which probably did cause the dip because there was a big dip the other day. But then Elon Musk came out and said there was like the car didn't even have the autopilot thing activated on it.
Ah, right. Yeah, because I think because we saw Tesla reach an all-time high, and now it's sort of been.
Oh, no, nobody got killed apparently.
Nobody got killed. Crash. Oh, that's good. I thought why did I see something on the news about people? Okay, that's good news though. That is good news. But what I would say, right, is Tesla right now. Again, we're in this. We got this double dip, and I'm not sure. This is very similar to the OCGN dip that we just saw, like the double point, right? So this could potentially see some nice momentum soon, I think. The fire's put off in 2 minutes. Ah, right. Okay, so the media amped up something that wasn't actually all that serious then?
The media always do that though.
Yeah, I mean, that doesn't surprise me.
Like, good news is bad news and bad news is good news when it comes to the media.
Definitely.
Like, no one likes reading good news. Everyone's attracted to reading bad news.
What is causing OCGN to go up like this? Is there been some sort of news, like some sort of FDA approval or something? OCGN.
Positive data for the coronavirus vaccine candidate it hopes to bring to the US market.
Oh, Pog Champion. We love that. Very good.
I'm a body, I'm dance.
Is Nasdaq and Dow are still down, and the SPY they're all still down, but I don't really know what's going on there. So I quick look at Nasdaq.
Market's just in a state at the moment.
It is, mate. Look at this. These are disgusting. What is? Does anyone know what's causing this at the moment? Is there, or I don't know.
Something's happened in the US that caused that, like this whole slump, and it has recovered from earlier, but
India got 315,000 new cases. Oh,
today,
goodness.
yeah, that was rough. I saw that.
There's that new Indian variant, isn't there? I heard something about that. Well, there's loads of different variants actually. I think there's a new variant in Brazil, one in South Africa. Yeah. And apparently they're all in the UK now.
Yeah, there's the Kent virus, and we call it the Kent virus because no one actually wants to be associated with people from Kent. So we'll call it the Kent virus instead of the UK virus.
Yeah, no offense to anyone from Kent in the chat.
No.
We've definitely lost a few viewers.
Just saying it how it is. Tesla's oversold at the moment as well, so.
Yeah.
What's Amazon doing recently?
Amazon?
Oh, Amazon. Wow. Yeah, Amazon lost about 100 quid today. A share. Ouch. See, this is why I don't mess about too much with really big blue chip stocks like Alphabet.
Because you can gain, but you could also lose. And to be honest...
Yeah, but it's like, I would rather invest in something where I can buy 1,000 shares and it goes up by...
Same
1 cent a share.
Yeah.
or the $1 a share than something where I can only buy one and then it goes up 25 quid.
I prefer to just, you know, invest in Bitcoin
NAKD.
and NAKD. Yeah. Right, if I have Amazon money, right, I'm investing that in partially in NAKD, partially in, I don't know, maybe Dogecoin, maybe TRX, something like that. Mate, you're gonna make bank.
Exactly.
Not financial advice.
Non-financial advice, entertainment purposes only.
Yeah. Yo, CTRM, man. Can we just have an F in the chat for CTRM? Oh my god. I say this every time. It's so sad. I put in so much money, man. I bought 500 shares of CTRM, everyone. And it literally halved in value overnight. It was so sad. Like, crazy. Like, look at me doing my analysis up here, thinking it all promising, and then we just saw it collapse. Deary me. Not good. AMC's back up $10. Yes, indeedy. Don't be greedy. We love that. Actually, do be greedy. It's stock market. Oh, AMC is forging this head and shoulders, I think. I think this is what's happening. But the thing is with head and shoulders, right, that everyone has to remember, it could either tank the price or it could really, really accelerate the price. Beautiful singing. We love the singing, Josh.
Trying to meet me in your hotel room.
Josh is definitely getting us done for copyright here.
I'm not singing for that long.
Susan, back up. Right. Oh man. But yeah,
I'm so happy I had my haircut today.
Yeah, I know, you look good, mate.
Looking trim.
It's about time your hair didn't cover your eyes.
Oh, mate, I know, honest to God, it's been so painful, like, the past 4 months.
The viewers can now actually see your face. Like, we love it.
Yeah, exactly. It's not just hair. I don't look like an old English sheepdog.
You're looking like that memeless guy with the mask.
Oh, yeah. Saturday, Sunday.
Yeah, I hope your family's good, Akash. I hope they're all good. Byron proposed capital gains tax as high as 43.4% for the wealthy, and the market dropped.
Ouch.
Oof.
Capital gains is 43%.
Ouch.
That's awful. Wow, what?
All I'm saying is Boris better not get any ideas.
Boris won't get any ideas. Boris is a Tory.
Yeah, true.
There's no chance Boris would ever do anything like that because it would hurt him just as much as it hurt anyone else. AMC's hit $10 now.
Mm-hmm. AMC's loving life right now. Although, well, what normally happens in a head and shoulders, right? Because that's what we're sort of seeing at the moment. I think that's what we're gonna see here.
It is forming.
Yeah. Because what could either happen with the head and shoulders? They reach the bottom and then it really takes off, or it goes down. So it's going to be interesting to see what actually happens at AMC.
California's 57% capital gains. I'm never moving to California.
I'm not moving to America full stop after that.
Like, it's not as bad over here because you've got your investment ISA, so you get £20,000 tax free.
Mm-hmm.
But only if it's in your investment ISA. If we're just in it through trading 212, then we're not covered by it. But like, I might move it over where you're at.
To be honest, you're better off going to some sort of tax haven, maybe like go Monaco or something.
Yeah,
if you're making money.
Go to the Cayman Islands.
Yeah. Yeah, you're better off going somewhere there because the UK is still not fun for tax.
What is the UK? Yeah, the capital gains tax in the UK are 10%.
which is reasonable.
If your overall annual income is below 50,000, and then if you're above 50,000, then it's 20%. It's 28% if it's on residential property.
Oof.
So if you're investing in property, then it's 28%. But if it's just stocks, then it's 20%, which I can cope with.
No, I can take a 20% hit. 40% though. Yeah, unlucky America. That's a rough one.
Oh, risk is on.
What, Milton?
Yeah.
I love that. It's always interesting to hear what he has to say with stuff like this, because
Yeah, exactly. The bloke, I would love to have a sit-down chat with him. Like, he's so knowledgeable.
that's what I mean. Like, just having him on a show, like, we don't even have to talk NAKD, but just pick his brain, really.
Yeah, experience of Wall Street, because that's the type of thing I want to do.
Yeah. I still don't really know what I want to do, because I haven't really gone down the career path of being anything to do with stocks, really. But,
oh, mate, it's their life, honestly. I swear down. I say that it's not as glamorous as like The Wolf of Wall Street made it. If you ever want to watch a really good film, go watch The Big Short.
Yeah, that's good.
Big Short's a cracking film.
What's the?
Right.
There was another one that my dad told me to watch. I think it was the original, like Wolf of Wall Street, like with someone like Gecko or something. I don't know. It was like it was before the Wolf of Wall Street. It was like some really old Wall Street film.
Oh, I don't know.
What's the likelihood that Doge hits
Ethereum numbers? Well, what's Ethereum at now? I swear it's over like 1,000, isn't it?
Yeah, my problem with Doge is I feel like there's such a high supply for Doge that I feel like it's gonna struggle, because the thing why Ethereum is the price that it's at is because there's a very limited supply, whereas Doge it's pretty much got an infinite supply, right? So obviously you all have to bear into mind the supply and demand basically correlates with what the price happens, right? That's how everything works in the market. So the fact that there's a lot of supply for Doge and it's able to keep up with the demand, are we going to really see a massive increase like that? I don't know, in all honesty.
You
never know.
I was going to say, so Bitcoin has a market cap. Like, there is a cap on how many Bitcoin can be produced. Ethereum is a pain in the ass to create. Like, it's not... there's no cap on it. It's just very expensive to make. Yeah. Whereas, like you were saying, Doge is just unlimited. Like, I could go and create Doge.
I mean, it's got a total supply on Coinbase or the coin market cap, right? So there's 115 million total supply for Ethereum, right?
At the moment,
yeah. So, you know, the fact that there's a high amount of volume, that obviously correlates with the amount of supply that's actually currently in Ethereum. So that's why we've seen Ethereum absolutely rocket, because there's such a shortage of supply within there, because no one really wants to mine Ethereum because it's so like pricey and so difficult to mine. Yes. Whereas the likes of, you know, Doge, I'm not sure what's the Doge supply. So
sad.
Here we go. Money.
Oh my gosh.
Did you see the Charmilla about NAKD? They put it on Reddit. Also, because of the capital gain tax, I'm moving from LA to the moon. Yeah, honestly, I've not seen the tweets. Can you tell us more about what's actually happened with the tweets?
We're pitching up a tent on the moon.
Pitching up a tent. I'm putting up a condo. I'm putting a proper condo up there.
Well, it depends how we go get the staff up there. Oh yeah, with infinite supply of rocket ships from NAKD. We love
Yeah,
it.
Sev, thank you.
Yeah, Seb, we appreciate it
Yeah,
massively, man.
another $5.
It's crazy.
But
So, yeah, you know what I say about Doge with the amount of supply. Doge
Yeah.
has 129 billion worth
yeah,
of supply.
it's just so easy to produce.
Yeah, you know, compare that with the likes of Bitcoin, why we've seen that so low because there's such a limited amount of Bitcoin. It's almost like gold, right? The total supply for
It's like
Bitcoin.
118 million, I think.
No,
There you go, wait,
Bitcoin's total supply right now is only 18 million.
Oh, 80 million. I was saying, I thought it was. I knew it had a 1 and an 8 in it. I just couldn't remember if it was 118.
Yeah, so 18 million, and that is why we've seen
constantly
Bitcoin
about NAKD. I'll follow her then. We'll follow her later and just see
Yeah, we will.
what she's saying.
We'll give her a follow on the Armada Twitter. There we go. I'll get George on that. But yeah, that's why we've seen Bitcoin go up massively in value because there's such a limited supply, and I think that's one of the main catalysts behind why cryptocurrency trades as it does. It's all about supply and demand. And although it's similar with stocks, there are other factors within stocks that actually correlate. And although that is with Bitcoin and stuff and, you know, all these cryptocurrencies because of the blockchain networks and stuff, there is definitely an element of supply and demand that it really is an influential factor when looking at crypto trading.
Unfortunately, though, I am going to have to leave you guys be and let Nev take over because I have got stuff I need to sort. So from me, I'm not going to get to do it later when Nev finishes the stream. I'd just like to say a massive thank you to everyone who's been interacted with us. A massive shout out to Sev. He's just different breed.
Different gravy.
But yeah, with that, guys, I will speak to you tomorrow because I believe we've got another live stream coming. We're going to have a couple more videos coming. And yeah, all is good and dandy. So take care, guys.
Alrighty. We'll go over to here then. So I hope you've all sort of enjoyed this sort of live stream, like this little sit down, like, you know, it's nice to be able to like interact with all of you and have a nice discussion between each other. What I'm going to do now is, because I need to head off because I need to spend time with my dad because he leaves tomorrow. So what we're going to do, right, is I want you all to go over to Mr. Milton Todd Alt, and I want you to jump into this live stream and say Armada Raid, right? I want you all to spam up Armada Raid in the chat right now. And yeah, we're gonna jump in here. So everyone go send him love. He is the big whale within NAKD. He's absolutely goated, and honestly, he's so knowledgeable about the market. He's had 30 years of experience on Wall Street. So go check out this live stream. It starts in 7 minutes. So be sure to jump on in and say Armada Raid, okay? So with that being said, thank you everyone so much. And Sev, honestly, you're insane, man. Like, the amount of love you're all giving us is crazy, right? So massive thank you, and we'll see you in the next live stream on the channel. Take care.